Hi, this is Algebra 2. We're working on lesson 79 on page 327. We're going to talk about metric volume and 45, 45, 90-degree triangles. One of the many benefits to the metric system is that it was made on purpose to be easily convertible, unlike the English system that we Americans stubbornly cling to, which is a huge hodgepodge. We can convert cubic meters to cubic centimeters. So we have 1 cubic meter times, there are 100 centimeters to a meter, and this is cubic, so we need to do that 3 times. Right? The meters cancel. You're left with centimeters. This equals 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. 1 cubic centimeter on purpose equals 1 milliliter. So 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter. So 1,000,000, so let's keep it, 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter, right? So 1,000,000 cubic centimeters is going to equal 1,000 liters. Okay, so we're going to use unit multipliers to convert 14,000 milliliters to liters. That's pretty easy. We have 14,000 milliliters. We're going to convert it so we've got liters on top, and there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. You are welcome to leave the problem like this. When all we are doing is converting units, what I need to see is the form. I need to see that all the milliliters cancel and you're left with a liter. Just for the sake of mathematical interest, this is actually going to equal 14 liters. Okay, the next one says use unit multipliers to convert 4 cubic feet to liters. So we have 4 cubic feet. We have 12 inches to a foot times 12 inches to a foot times 12 inches to a foot. There are 2.54 centimeters to an inch. 2.54 centimeters to an inch times, we're continuing down here, 2.54 centimeters to an inch. This makes cubic centimeters, which are the same as cubic milliliters, as milliliters, sorry. So now we can just change this like that. Okay, now the feet cancel. Here's feet cubed, feet, 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 inches, 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 centimeters, centimeters, centimeters are all there, and we're left with liters. Okay? You can work all this out, you can clean it up a little bit, but really you can just leave it like that. I will be very happy with that. The whole point of this process is to see how the units work and to figure out how to convert them. You're going to be doing a lot of that in physics. Okay, let's do one more. We're going to use unit multipliers, to convert 4.7 liters to inches cubed. So 4.7 liters. 1 liter is the same as 1,000 centimeters cubed, right? 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters. Inch, 2.54 centimeters. And that, now we have the liters canceled, the centimeters canceled, and we have inches cubed. We could also have written it like this. It means the same thing, it's just a little more elegant. Okay. We remember that every 30, 60, 90 triangle is similar to this. Every 45, 45, 90 triangle is similar to this one. So we're using a base of 1 in both cases. And for 45, we have 1, 1, and the square root of 2. It's a much easier triangle than this one. Okay, so here's an example. We're going to use a similar triangles to find x and y. This is a 45-degree angle, so this is a 45-degree angle, despite the fact that I can't draw. Okay, we can flip this little guy around and say this is 1, and this is 1. And the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Okay, both of these are 45-degree angles. A little more realistic ones too, I might add. Alright, so we're going to start by finding the scale factor. And so we start from the little one to the big one, and we have the values for the hypotenuse on both of them. So we're going to start here. We're going to go the square root of 2 times the scale factor equals 7, and therefore this, let's write it down here, the scale factor equals 7 over the square root of 2. Please don't leave radicals in the denominator. We're going to clean this up a little bit. This will be 7 times the square root of 2 over 2. That's a much prettier form, please. Okay, so now to solve for x, we've got x equals 1 times the scale factor. And the scale factor is 7 times the square root of 2 over the square root of 2, so that's what x equals. Y, you notice that in 45, 90-degree angles, or triangles, the x and the y are equal. So if this is what the x equals, it's also going to be what the y equals. Okay? These are much easier angles. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Try your practice problems. Do all the problems from the lesson, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.